You're also if interested in videography, video editing, and how to make money making videos, subscribe to don't miss out. So hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add the lines around an object, which are also known as stroke. So let's begin. You need to double click on the layer you want to add stroke to and you should press on stroke. Well, they automatically add a stroke to us. Of course, you need to press on this and then change the color for whatever you want. This is mainly for YouTube, and you can change, of course, the size of the stroke if you want. You can mess around for a better outcome. Keep it as it is normal. You can also mess around with this if you want to make it as an inside stroke instead of outside stroke. You can also add some drop shadow, which is useful as if you're adding a shadow for your object. This is an extra tip. So guys, I do loads of tutorials. Check my channel and see if you like other tutorials. I do loads and loads of tutorials. Okay, so check the channel and see you next time.